Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa. We're gonna be doing October beauty unboxing. The first bag we're going to unbox will be Birchbox, and it says self-love is the best kind of love. It's all about self-love this October with everything going on. It's good that we're looking after ourselves, putting ourselves first, and also looking after our mental health. The first item is and Smith. Everything Santorini. This is the item that we can pick. They email you at the end of every month to pick an item. I picked this because of the color. It will be amazing on the cheeks. So you can use it on your cheeks, your lips, and your lids. Packaging looks nice, very gorgeous. It's gonna look really nice on a dark complexion. This retails for £15. Next is Estee Lauder Multi-Action Foam Cleanse and Purifying Mask. This is obviously travel tiny size. Full size retails for £24 to remove makeup and also impurities. And it says you can leave this on for 3 minutes as a mask. Next is Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hydrocoloric Mist. The full size of this retails for £20. This is a travel size, and this has got hydrochloric acid, chamomile, lavender, and CB oil. It helps hydrate, plumps, and smooth your neck and chest into a peaceful and uninterrupted slumber. Spray on to cleanse skin before bed. The Anatonicals Shower of Love Bergamot Cream Body Cleanser. This is exclusive. This is full size. This retails for £2. It's suitable for sensitive skin. The foaming cream formula leaves skin feeling clean and soft, perfect for your morning shower rituals. It lifts away dirt and impurities. Okay, I've tried their products before in past Birchbox, and it seems okay. It's not too bad. We've got the Beaver Professional Cherry Blossom Conditioner. Full size of this retails for £19.40. Says Nourish, Strengthen and Balance Conditioner. Ideal for volume and thickening fine hair and add shine whilst also detangling and moisturizing strands. That's everything I got in the Birchbox. There is no sneak peek for next month. Next to unbox is the Glossybox, the Enchanted Spirit, the Beauty Tales. This is for the Halloween theme. They're doing the fairy tale type of theme this month. Got the Look Fantastic Foundation Founder. So if you're looking for your foundation shade in the MAC, you've got this. It tells you all the instructions at the back. The leaflet. Get 1 or 2 boxes. Enchanted Spirit, as I have, or the Midnight Fantasy. Once upon a time, there was a Meet Me, and our first item is Elamaska Ultra Veil Primer. The full size retails for £34. It's like a gel type of primer. It's got vitamin C and B3, which works together to help maintain your skin hydration level, create a healthy looking balanced finish. It leaves your skin fully prepped to apply your chosen foundation. Nice size to try. If you haven't tried it before, I have, and I really liked it for my skin. Next is Luna by Luna Pixie Lipstick. Retails for £15 and it's a full size. I believe everybody is gonna get this shade. This lipstick is so luxurious. It's a rich and creamy pigment. It won't dry or settle into lip line. Next is Eye Essential Under Eye Enhancer. This is the Deluxe Mini and this retails for £8. The full size retails for $24.90. This product has a power to erase dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines for up to 10 hours. Wow. The trick is in the tube. Apply to clean, dry skin in 1 or 2 strokes, working from the inner corner of the eyes out towards the temple. Used and adored by Hollywood celebrities and makeup artists for over 30 years, this magical cosmetics product provides results in seconds. Well, I hope so. I need all that I can get. Trust me. Next is Bubble Tea Cosmetics Fairy Dust Foaming Bath Powder in Lavender. This retails for $5.99. I haven't tried any of their products yet. This is a full size. Sprinkle into the warm bath whilst the water is still running. The next item is from the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. Retails for £18. This is a full size, but it looks like a travel size to me. It's cruelty free and is also vegan. Combining a matte hue with a shimmer shade, this velvet smooth pressed powder can be mixed and matched to create your desired entrance effect. And then we got a little treat, Cadbury dark milk, and it's got milk in it, so if you're allergic to dairy, you cannot have this. That's everything that we've got in all the beauty boxes. Comment below what you think about it, how you feel about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification buttons. When I come out with another video, you'll be the first to know. Take care. Bye.